Understanding shared humanity, a journey into compassion and connection. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and meaningful phrase, shared humanity. This phrase isn't just about language. It's about understanding the deep connection we all share as human beings. So, let's dive in and discover what shared humanity truly means. Shared humanity is a phrase that encapsulates the idea that all humans, regardless of race, nationality, religion, or culture, share certain fundamental experiences and emotions. It's about recognizing that, at our core, we are more alike than different. This concept is crucial in fostering empathy, compassion, and understanding among people from diverse backgrounds. We see examples of shared humanity in our everyday lives. When we witness acts of kindness, when people come together to help others in times of crisis, or even when we share a laugh with someone from a different background, these are all moments of shared humanity. It's about finding common ground and realizing that, despite our differences, we share similar hopes, fears, and dreams. In today's interconnected world, understanding and embracing our shared humanity is more important than ever. It helps us overcome prejudices, build stronger communities, and create a more compassionate world. By recognizing our shared human experience, we can work towards a future where everyone is respected and valued. Thank you for joining me in exploring the concept of shared humanity. I hope this video has not only helped you understand the phrase but also inspired you to look at the world and the people around you with more empathy and compassion. Remember, despite our differences, we are all part of this beautiful tapestry of humanity. See you in our next video.